Welcome! In this guide, we'll show you how to integrate the Adcash anti-AdBlock solution into your WordPress website. Start by logging into your Adcash publisher account and opening the Zones section. On the right side of the screen, open the Help Center and search for WordPress. From the results, select Anti-AdBlock integration for WordPress. In the guide, navigate to the GitHub link for the installation files. Once GitHub opens, select adblock.zip and download the raw file to your computer. Next, go to your WordPress admin panel, open Plugins, then click Add Plugin. Click Upload Plugin, choose the downloaded adblock.zip file, and click Install Now. Once the plugin has been installed successfully, click Activate Plugin. After activation, go to Settings, then open Adcash AdBlock. Here, set your preferred cache period in minutes, then save your changes. We recommend keeping the default value of 60. Next, open Tools, then select Theme File Editor. In the Theme Files list, open Parts, then open header.html. Next, return to your Adcash Publisher account. In the Zones section, find the zone you want to toggle the AdBlock script for and click on AdBlock script. Scroll to the initialization snippet and copy the code. Go back to WordPress and paste the Adcash initialization snippet near the top of the header file. Once the code has been added, click Update File. And that's it. The Adcash anti-AdBlock integration is now set up on your WordPress website.